This video is for Chinese 202 Lesson 2, and we will be talking about existential sentences. Existential sentences indicate that someone exists at a certain place, and these types of sentences usually have non-typical word orders and are structured as follows. Place word or phrase plus verb plus 这 or 了 plus numeral plus the measure word plus the noun. So the first example of an existential sentence that we have is 桌子上放着一本书. There is a book lying on the desk. For example 2, 床前有一把椅子. There is a chair in front of the bed. And for example 3, 书桌的旁边是衣柜. Next to the desk, there is a wardrobe. There isn't much to say about this. Just make sure that when you are trying to create these existential sentences, you follow the sentence structure, and then you should be fine. Verbs that can also be used with this structure are usually limited to 有 or 是. However, you can also use bodily actions with these sentences, including 站坐躺拿放摆挂 and 贴. And these are just the verbs that mean sitting, standing, lying down, putting something into place, hanging something, or sticking and pasting something. In existential sentences, the use of 是 indicates that there is only one or one type of object or person at a specific location. The use of 有 indicates that there are multiple objects or types of objects or people at a particular location. So this is just the same sentence structure as in the previous slide. And in the first sentence, we are using 有, which indicates that there are multiple types of objects or people at a particular place. So, 桌子上有一支笔、一份报和一些纸. There's a pen, a newspaper, and some paper on a desk. Note that in this situation, in this example, there can also be other items on the desk, and that's because we are using 有. In example 5, where we are using 是, we are only indicating a singular. So if someone asks you 你看桌子上放着什么? Look, what's on the table? You can answer 桌子上是一支笔. There's a pen on the table, and this is a singular pen. Note that in this situation, there is a pen and nothing else on the table, and that's because we are using 是 in this sentence. So this was a video on existential sentences. It shouldn't be too hard to get the hang of using these types of sentences in your writing or language use. Just make sure to follow the sentence structure. And remember that 有 means plural for all kinds of things, and 是 is singular for only one type of thing.